Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you some ways to fix PS4 stuck on. Connect the DUALSHOCK 4 wireless controller with USB cable, and then press PS button, screen. So, before we start, you need make sure the cable that you are using is data cable, not a generic charging cable. Because there are two types of micro USB cables, data transfer and charging cables and charging only cables. To actually connect the controller to the PS4, you would need a data transfer cable. A charging only cable will cause the orange charging light to glow but not communicate with the PS4. After you are sure the cable you use is a data cable, please move on the first method, clear your PS4 cache. You just turn off a PS4 and disconnect its cable from the power outlet for a period of time, then reconnect it to the power source. You have to wait around 5 minutes with the PS4 when you power cycle it. Besides, you need unplug all external devices connected it to as well, including the controller. After the 5-minute period passes, just plug the PS4 power cord back into the power outlet, turn it on. Wait for the PS4 system to prompt you to attach the controller. Connect the controller via USB and turn it on. Now check if your PS4 still gets stuck on the Connect controller screen. Method 2. Check USB port and cable. This is a significant step in the troubleshooting procedure of this issue. We must find out what actually causes this problem. First, try using this cable on another USB port on your PS4. Usually PS4 will have more than one USB port. So, to avoid the case that the USB port is damaged, try connecting to another USB port. If you have tried all the USB ports on your PS4 and the problem still doesn't go away, then try on another cable. Try through the USB ports in turn. If still not working, then try using this cable on a computer or another PS4 if possible. Here, I will use this cable to connect to my computer. Then, I will play any game with controller support. If it not working, then it means that is the problem that comes from controller. Please move on the method 3 to take the next necessary steps. In case it work, then try cleaning USB ports on PS4, and best of all, clean all the dirt on your PS4. After that, if still not working, then try factory reset your PS4. To do that, you need turn off the PS4 by holding down the power button for a few seconds until it beeps twice and goes off. Once it's turned off, press and hold the power button again until you hear 2 beeps. Now connect the PS4 controller with a USB cable. After that, Press the PlayStation button present on the controller. The PlayStation will now be in the safe mode. Go to the option number 7, that is initialize the PS4 and reinstall the PS4 system software and select it. The PS4 will start factory resetting, and this process can take a few hours. Method 3. Factory reset your controller. Turn off the PS4. Flip the DualShock 4 controller over. Then look for the little hole next to the left shoulder button. Use one end of the paperclip or sharp toothpick and push it into the hole to press the hidden button. Keep pressing this button for approximately 5 seconds. Use a USB cord to connect the controller to the PS4. Switch on the PlayStation 4 and wait for it to start up. Use the controller's PlayStation button to sign in to the PS4. When the DualShock 4 and console have linked, the light bar should turn blue. Method 4. Check controller battery. You can check the PS4 controller battery level by pressing and holding the PS button for about 10 seconds. If the PS4 controller battery level is low, it might be the reason why your PS4 is stuck on the Kinect controller screen. In this case, you'll need to replace the PS4 controller battery. Besides, open up the PS4 controller's cover and disconnect its battery by unplugging it. Wait for around 5 minutes, then connect it again. Afterward, you have to factory reset your controller again. That's it, guys. Hope this is helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.